Remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss an update from iMumz.
Do's and don'ts of winter skincare in pregnancy. Hi mommies! Exercise, mindfulness and healthier diets are often part of pregnancy. But a skincare routine while you're pregnant can too be an important part of your self-care ritual. Here, I, Dr. Anita Chaudhary, will run you through some do's and don'ts of winter skincare in pregnancy. Do wear sunscreen. Even if the temperatures are colder, there are still powerful UV rays that can contribute to skin cancer and premature aging. Plus, pregnancy can make you more inclined to get darkening of the skin with sun exposure, especially melasma, the butterfly mark. Find a sunscreen that you like, how it looks and feels, so you can wear it every day. It's okay to use either a chemical or a mineral-based sunscreen while you're pregnant. SPF is an important step for winter care in pregnancy and in every other stage of your life as well. Certain don'ts. Don't use products containing retinols or retinoids. Please read the ingredients. Retinol exposure has been shown to cause birth defects in high doses in animal studies and even in some human studies. So please read the ingredients and avoid retinols or retinoids. Now, do maintain a regime for chronic skin conditions. Women with chronic skin issues prior to pregnancy, like eczema and psoriasis, often need to continue components of their skincare. Eczema can flare up in pregnancy due to the hormonal changes. I encourage continued daily use of emollients. Use topical steroid creams and it is absolutely safe in pregnancy. You should discuss with your doctor what is safe during gestation and then only you must use it. Now again, don't be surprised about acne. This is related to high hormonal levels and is typically the worst in the first trimester. Nobody likes it, but it is natural. Some of them do have it. Since acne is related to bacterial load on the skin, washing your face and pillowcase regularly and avoiding picking and popping pimples can be helpful. Prescription antibiotics like clindamycin and erythromycin are safe in pregnancy, but over-the-counter products are also safe, but know the ingredients. Consult your doctor before using any of these products. Now again, do dress appropriately for the weather. That means covering up exposed skin with gloves, scarves and hats to protect from exposure, and also wearing a sturdy pair of shoes to prevent slipping in slick conditions. Now again, don't expose your skin to major temperature fluctuations. Going from the cold air to a hot bath or sitting by a fire can feel great initially, but it can really dry out the skin and cause a lot of itching. All those pregnancy hormones increase itchy skin anyways. Try to take warm baths or showers. Apply a thick moisturizer right after drying off and consider using a humidifier. One very important thing when you apply moisturizers normally and even in pregnancy, your body should not be dried completely. With that little bit of wetness, with that little bit of moisture, when you apply, these moisturizers give best results and the absorption is also good. So remember to take care of your skin and remember the do's and the don'ts too. Thank you and namaste.